In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for Agile practices in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Agile frameworks or simply wanting to streamline your project management workflow, this guide will help you harness the power of Jira effectively. Let's dive in. First things first, navigate to the Jira website on your preferred browser. Once you've reached the main page, you'll see several options to sign in. To make things easier and faster, click on the Google option to sign in using your Google account credentials. This seamless integration with Google not only simplifies the login process, but also ensures that your calendars and other tools can stay in sync with your Jira boards, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Now that you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Take a look at the left-hand panel. That's where you'll find the option to access your board. Your board is essentially the hub of your project where you'll manage all tasks, user stories, and sprints. Click on this to enter your board, which is tailored to fit your specific project's needs. Within your board, you have the power to track progress, assign tasks, and collaborate with your team all in one centralized place. Once you're in your board, you'll want to utilize one of Jira's most powerful tools, the Reports view. To access this, simply look for the Reports view option on your board. By clicking on this, you'll enter a section filled with insightful data visualizations and statistics that can help you analyze the performance of your projects over time. This step is crucial for identifying trends, potential bottlenecks, and areas of improvement within your team's workflow. With the Reports view open, make sure you've selected the Agile templates from the options available. These templates are specifically designed to cater to Agile methodologies, offering a more structured way to evaluate your team's sprint performance, velocity, and progress towards deliverables. Under the Agile drop-down, you can choose from a variety of report types such as sprint reports, velocity charts, or burn-down charts. Each of these reports provides unique insights, helping you make data-driven decisions that align with your project goals. That wraps up our quick tutorial on getting started with Jira for Agile practices. As you're getting familiar with these tools, don't hesitate to explore additional features or dive into more detailed Jira documentation for further capabilities. Remember that successful Agile implementation is all about iterative progress and continuous improvement. So, give yourself the time to adapt and find what works best for your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you to become more agile in your project management with Jira. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in your Agile journey.